Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Strengthen English. In this particular video, we are going to practice prepositions. Come on, here we go. Students, are you ready? Here we are going to practice the prepositions. Here you have the exercise, 30 questions, and then you need to read and understand each questions clearly and thoroughly and write the best answer. Dear students, it is time for checking your answers, whether you have written correctly or not. After a while, the answers will be displayed. Best wishes, students. Come on, let us see how many students will get 30 out of 30. Students, I believe that you all have done well. You all have scored 30 out of 30. Thank you, dear students. We will meet in the next video. Okay, after watching this video, kindly put forth your comments, like it, and then kindly do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, students, best wishes. Let us promote good learning.